this video, I want to show you how you can change the language on Temu. Now, this works on your phone as well as from the website. So let me just quickly show you how to do this from the website. What you want to do is you want to scroll up to the top and you should see a flag icon. In here, you just want to select the language and your currency will be updated as well. Now, what you can also do is you can come down here and you can change the country/region that you're shopping on. So right now I'm shopping on Temu United Kingdom, but you can change this to Temu United States and it will show you the products from there instead. And that is how this works. So you can change the language here. Your currency will also be changed, and you can change your country and region down here, which will give you some different items depending on what's selling the best in that country. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.